Have you ever heard of NeoRuler or used a sound blaster? In this video, we will look at some cool gadgets that are on another level. Links with the prices are in the description below. Let's go! Number 1. Travel Adapter. A new gadget has been developed by Zendur. They are well known for their rugged power banks and cutting-edge travel adapters. It is the replacement for its Passport Pro travel adapter, but has many more capabilities. One of the best universal travel adapters on the market is the Zendur Passport 2 Pro. This delivers power at 61 watts, the most incredible power ever provided by a travel adapter in contrast to many other adapters. The adapter's elegant form, easy sliders, and auto-resetting fuse are among its best gear qualities. Number 2. Bag Sealer. The high-quality mini bag sealer is made from durable ABS material unaffected by extreme heat or cold. By using this, you can reuse packaging, keep perishables fresher for longer, and reduce waste. It features a cutter and heat sealer, making it a versatile and practical tool for your kitchen. Press the item for 3 to 5 seconds to preheat. Then, slide it along the length of the pouch to seal it. Use the minus side to slash open plastic bags easily. The mini food cutter is also included, which can be pulled out from the side of the bag instead of scissors. The heat sealer only requires a battery for the first use, and after that, it can be used with ease. Simply plug it in and go. Number 3. Sphero Specdrums. There are many beautiful toys for kids from Sphero, but this one seems to be great for anyone that loves music. Introducing Sphero Specdrums, a stylish wearable music accessory. These rings link to your smartphone and recognize color unlike other rings. Put it on, connect to your phone, tap the ring on a colored surface, and then a sound will play. You will hear various sounds depending on the color you're tapping. It is suitable for use on any surface. Spectrums are low energy and connect via Bluetooth. The batteries can be recharged through USB, and it takes approximately 1 hour to fully charge. Number 4. Emeet Meeting Capsule. A tracking autofocus and face center capturing algorithm. Every voice can be heard via the 8 omnidirectional microphones. Every idea can be delivered via the 10-watt hi-fi speaker. The conference room camera is a perfect one-stop solution for Zoom room and video conferences. Whether in a group meeting or holding a meeting alone, whether doing a presentation or having a discussion, you can find a specific video mode among the 5 that satisfies your needs. Voice can be clearly delivered within a sphere of an 18 feet radius. All attendees can be clearly heard, even from the far ends of tables, with the webcam for the conference room. The Meeting Capsule G1 really provides a smooth and clear auditory carnival for Zoom room. This webcam can be controlled by remote control, Emeet Link software, and the physical buttons on the device. Insert the USB cable and launch meetings instantly without the need for cell phones or Global Wi-Fi. Save your precious time from the fussy settings of the app and driver. The Emeet Conference Webcam G1 adopts a secure USB physical connection. No privacy can be invaded by anyone through the wireless Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection methods. Number 5. Tabletop Fireplace. Enjoy the warmth and ambience of a cozy fire anywhere with this lightweight fire table that burns smokeless and odorless alcohol. This fireplace will make any space more inviting and comfortable to ensure clean combustion. It's essential to use the biofuel that Amazon suggests for the gadget to function correctly on windy days. Light the fire table indoors for a minute before taking it outside to the desired location. This compact fireplace is perfect for indoor or outdoor use, making it an excellent table centerpiece for formal dining rooms, offices, or living rooms. It's lightweight and portable, allowing you to take it wherever you go. Creating the ambience of a real fire is effortless. It's super simple to use and leaves no trace, providing instant results. It's easy to turn on and off, and gathering with loved ones around the fire is one of life's greatest pleasures. Number 6. Portable Printer. A printer called Keypix allows you to print images from your smartphone immediately. This device is wireless, operates without Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection, and requires no batteries. These attributes make Keypix a flexible, user-friendly photo printer. Instantly print favorite photos from your smartphone. Place film, place phone, and print. Compact and folds flat for easy travel. No batteries or cords required. Add fun filters, or just get rid of the red eye, and then use to scan those photos from your phone screen right to the film. Your phone is used to obtain image data. Simply open the image on your phone and place the device on top so its lens can capture the image data and print the result as simple as that. Number 7. Volcano Aroma Diffuser. Flame patterns burn in the air like fog. Volcanic jellyfish patterns emit fog like volcanic eruptions and jump out of the crater like jellyfish, bringing you pleasant smells, which is great for bedrooms and offices. This uses ultrasonic vibration instead of ordinary heat to create mist. You can use the remote control to easily switch between flame mode and volcano mode, and between red and blue light colors. It also helps for burying stubborn smoking and pet odors, and protecting your family from overly dry air, microbes, allergens, dust, and more. Number 8. Sound Blaster. The Sound Blaster supports up to 7.1 discrete and virtual audio channels, providing exceptional acoustic depth and detail. This means you can enjoy the best of both worlds, whether listening on headphones or through your favorite set of speakers. Because it offers not one, not two, but 3 alternative ways to produce surround sound from surround virtualization technology, this device has got you covered. Number 9. Ultra Reality. Ultra Reality Display is the first desktop monitor to offer massive panorama with monocular depth. This relaxes your eyes' muscles for prolonged comfort and gives a sense of depth and immersion that emulates headsets. Combining the immersion of a headset with the comfort of a monitor, Brillion's The Ultra Reality is the first headset-free virtual monitor, and with a depth profile that emulates the curvature of the human eye. It offers unparalleled eye comfort compared to flat monitors. It enables an awe-inspiring panoramic experience that fills 110 degrees of your field of view, perfect for immersive entertainment applications like gaming and movies. It doesn't require any special software or content and is compatible with FreeSync, G-Sync, and existing simulation training software, PC games, and desktop applications. Using HDMI or DisplayPort, your computer will recognize the device as one large monitor, powered by its proprietary depth modulation technology. With a large field of view, massive virtual screen, and high-fidelity imagery presented with dynamic depth, this ultra reality display opens the door to new possibilities for enterprise and prosumer applications. A compact and portable device for simulation and training, and amplified visualizations for visual inspections are some of the immediate enterprise applications. It can replace multi-monitor setup or even headsets for demanding applications like financial trading, cinematic video editing, and more. Number 10. Streaming Webcam. Say hello to the Razer Kio Pro, the ultimate USB webcam that delivers a very high level of streaming fidelity with its high-performance adaptive light sensor. It produces crystal clear images regardless of the lighting situation. No more worrying about graininess or underexposed areas. Thanks to its big aperture and wide-angle lens, you can adjust your camera's field of view to find the perfect visual area with uncompressed full HD video. You can be sure that your stream will be smooth and incredibly detailed. Compared to 4K cameras that require professional lighting equipment to achieve the same level of performance, its adaptive light sensor performs better in any situation, even in low light conditions. Say goodbye to the hassle of complex lighting setups, and hello to streaming that looks and feels just like the pros. Number 11. Sleepbuds. If you're tired of tossing and turning all night, we've got just the gadget for you. These sleep buds are the perfect solution for those who struggle to fall and stay asleep. Noise masking technology to block out all those pesky distractions that keep you up at night, but they also come with a sleep app that provides a range of calming sounds to help you drift off into dreamland with its noise masking technology. Calming sounds with a comfortable design. You'll be sleeping like a baby in no time. Number 12. Rollkers. Rollkers are designed to give you that same sensation as you walk down city streets. They take the form of roller skate-like devices that get strapped onto the user's existing shoes. Onboard sensors and other electronics detect the wearer's current walking speed and respond by activating the motors in order to double that speed. This means that they only roll as the user is walking. If the user is just standing still, the rollkers won't carry them forward. The sensors can determine where within the stride each rollker is at all times. The output of the motors is adjusted accordingly to maintain user stability. Number 13. NeoRuler. The engineers and designers at HOZO Design have created the ultimate smart ruler in the form of the NeoRuler, offering a ruler that is capable of satisfying all your desktop measuring demands with infinite customizable scales, units, and a 0.1 mm resolution. Its features include the ability to quickly switch between metric and imperial in one swipe without multiple calculations. The most explicit imperial decimal fractional display in your hand gets 90 built-in scales for maximum versatility. The customized scale allows you to define your own scale when out of plans equal divide space quickly in any length without any calculation, and mark accurately on the drafting of any length and width. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button and notification bell so we can keep in touch. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.